Hello everyone, how are you? This is Dream Civil Services. Today I am going to discuss Super 50 series part 3. This is very important for HCS exam as date is announced and exam will be held on 22nd August. So this series is mainly focused on HCS PT exam and definitely questions will come from this series. So take it serious and attempt all the questions and give your answer in comment section. So all the best and let's start with the series. So first question of today's series is the earliest reference of the word Haryana is found in A. Mahabharat, B. Rigved, C. Chahamana, D. Ramayan. So give your answer. So answer is C. Chahamana dynasty. Now second question, match the following. In first column Harappan sites are given and second column districts are given. So match the following: A. Maithil, B. Naurangabad, C. Agroha, D. Kunal. And districts are Bhiwani, Hisar, Fatehgarh. Start. So answer is A. Maithil is in Bhiwani, Naurangabad is in Bhiwani also, Agroha is in Hisar and Kunal is in Fatehgarh. So all match are correct. Now third question is, which of the following Harappan Valley site is oldest one in Haryana? A. Bhirana, B. Rakhigadi, C. Banwali, D. Kunal. So try to attempt this question. So answer is A. Bhirana. Now question number 4. At which of the following sites of Haryana evidence of barley is found? A. Bhirana, B. Naurangabad, C. Banwali, D. Agroha. So try to attempt this question. So answer is C. Banwali. Now question number 5. The Battle of Karnal was fought between A. Nadir Shah and Shah Alam I, B. Nadir Shah and Muhammad Shah, C. Shah Alam II and Muhammad Shah, D. Nadir Shah and Aurangzeb. So start your answer. Answer is B. Nadir Shah and Muhammad Shah. Now question number 6. Who led the revolt of 1857 in district of Hisar? A. Kadam Singh, B. Muhammad Azam, C. Bahadur Shah, D. Wazid Ali. So answer is B. Muhammad Azam. Now question number 7. During which year Haryana came under the control of Britishers? A. 1803, B. 1804, C. 1805, D. 1806. So try this question. So answer is A. 1803. Now question number 8 is match the following question. In first column revolt is given, in second year is given. So match the following: A. Rania revolt, B. revolt of farmers, C. Cathal revolt, D. Chachroli revolt. So try this question. So answer is A. Rania revolt 1818, revolt of farmer 1824, Cathal revolt 1843 and Chachroli revolt 1809. Now question number 9 is again match with the following. In first column events are given in second year. So start. A. Lala Lajpat Rai moved to Lahore from Hisar, B. exile of Lala Lajpat Rai, C. election of Punjab Legislative Council, D. murder of William Fraser. So try this question. So answer is B. Lala Lajpat Rai moved to Lahore from Hisar in 1892 and exile of Lala Lajpat Rai in which year? 1907. And election of Punjab Legislative Council held in 1920 and murder of William Fraser was in 1835. Question number 10. Consider the following statement. Number 1. Haryana lies between 27 degree 39 to 30 degree 35 north of latitude and 74 degree 28 minute and 77 degree 30 6 minutes east of longitude. And statement 2 is Shivalik and Aravali Hills lies in the southern part of the state. Now, which of the following statement given above is are correct? Option A, only 1, B, only 2, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 and not 2. So try to attempt this question. So answer is A, 1. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. And statement 2 is incorrect because Shivalik Hills are in northern part of the state. Now question number 11 is consider the following statement. Statement 1 is the highest point of Morni Hills is known as Karo Peak. Statement 2, Morni and Tipra ranges are separated by the valley of Ghaggar river. Now which of the following statement given above is are correct? A, only 1, B, only 2, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 and not 2. So try to attempt this question. So answer of 11 is C. Both statements are correct. Now which of the following district received the highest rainfall in Haryana? A, Yamunanagar, B, Ambala, C, Gurugram, D, Sonipat. So answer is B, Ambala. Question number 13. During which year Sukna Lake was declared as national wetland? A, 1989, B, 1985, C, 2006, D, 1988. So try this question. So answer is D, in 1988. Now question number 14. Manganese is found in which district of Haryana? A, Hisar, B, Mahendragarh, C, Kunal, D, Gurugram. So answer is B, Mahendragarh. Now question number 15. Which of the following district has deposit of vermiculite and kyanite? A, Rohtak, B, Mewat, C, Mahendragarh, D, Hisar. So try this question. Answer is C, Mahendragarh. Now question number 16. Sultanpur National Park is situated in which district? A, Gurugram, B, Sirsa, C, Rewari, D, Ambala. So try this question. So answer is A, Gurugram. Now question number 17. During which year state forest policy was formulated in Haryana? 2004, A, B, 2006, C, 2009, D, 2005. So try this question. Answer is B, 2006. Now question number 18. In which of the following district international horticulture market was set up? A, Panchkula, B, Gurugram, C, Faridabad, D, Panipat. So try this question. So answer is A, Panchkula. Question number 19. Who among the following is known as Kalidas of Haryana? A, Deep Chand Bahman, B, Kishan Lal Bhatt, C, Swami Hardev, D, Pandit Bhartu Kutubi. So try this question. So answer is A, Deep Chand Bahman. Now question number 20. This statement indicate which of the following dance form Mewati people of Haryana perform this dance from using the raining season? A, Deepak dance, B, Ratwai dance, C, Chhati dance, D, Ghumar dance. Try this question. So answer is B, Ratwai dance. Now question number 21. The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in A, President of India, B, Parliament, C, Chief Justice of India, D, Law Commission. So try this question. So answer is B. Parliament has the power to increase the number of judges in Supreme Court of India. Now question number 22. The ideal of welfare state in Indian Constitution is enshrined in A, Preamble, B, DPSP, C, Fundamental Right, D, 7th Schedule. So try this question. Answer is B, Directive Principle of State Policy. Now question number 23. There is a parliamentary system of government in India because A, Lok Sabha is elected directly by the people. B, Parliament can amend the constitution. C, Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. D. Council of Ministers is responsible to Lok Sabha. So try this question. So answer is D. So as per Article 75 of the Constitution, Council of Ministers is directly responsible to Lok Sabha or collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. Now come to question number 24. To uphold and to protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is a provision made in A. Preamble of Constitution, B. Directive Principle of State Policy, C. Fundamental Right, and D. Fundamental Duty. So this is very easy question. Try this. So answer is D. It is enshrined in fundamental duties. Question number 25. Consider the following statement. 1. The Legislative Council of State in India can be larger in size than half of the legislative of that particular state. Statement 2. The Governor of State nominates the Chairman of Legislative Council of the particular state. Which of the above following statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. So try this question. So answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Both statements are incorrect. Because so statement 1 is incorrect because Legislative Council of a state is 1/3 of the Legislative Assembly of that particular state. And statement 2 is incorrect because so Chairman and Deputy Chairman of Legislative Council is elected by the members of Legislative Assembly. Now question number 26. With reference to the Union Government, consider the following statement. 1. Department of Revenue is responsible for the preparation of Union budget that is presented to the Parliament. 2. No amount can be withdrawn from the Consolidated Fund of India without the authorization from the Parliament of India. Question number 3. All the disbursement made from the public account also need the authorization from Parliament of India. So which of the above following statement are correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 2 only, D. 1, 2, 3. So try this question. So answer is C. 2 statement is correct and 1 and 3 are incorrect because Department of Economic Affairs is responsible for preparation of Union budget. And statement 3 is incorrect because disbursement made from the public account need the authorization from the President. Now question number 27. The Montague-Chelmsford proposal was related with A. Social reform, B. Educational reform, C. Reforms in police administration, D. Constitutional reform. So try this question. So answer is D. It is related with constitutional reforms. Now next question is, which of the following objective is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought, B. Economic liberty, C. Liberty of expression, D. Liberty of belief. So try this question. So answer is D. Liberty of belief is not given in the preamble of Constitution. All are given. Now question number 28. Khadi and Village Industry Commission was established in A. First 5-year plan, B. Second plan, C. Fourth plan, D. Fifth plan. So give this answer. So answer is B. Khadi and Village Industry came in second 5-year plan. Now question number 29. Which of the following hills are found where the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghats are meet? This question is very easy. A. Annamalai Hills, B. Nilgiri Hills, C. Cardamom, D. Shivroy. So try this question. So answer is B. Nilgiri Hills. Now question number 30. Which of the following rivers does not originate in India? A. Satluj, B. Chenab, C. Beas, D. Ravi. So give this answer. So answer is A. Satluj is originated from Rakas Lake, Tibet. And Chenab originated from Baralacha Pass, Himachal Pradesh. And Beas river is also originated from Himachal Pradesh, Rohtang Pass. And Ravi river's origin is Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 31. In India, which of the following state has the largest inland saline wetland? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Assam, D. Manipur. So try this question. So answer is B. Rajasthan. Now question number 32. Which of the following is not a site for in situ method of conservation of flora? A. Biosphere Reserve, B. Botanical Garden, C. National Park, D. Wildlife Sanctuary. So try this question. So answer is B. Botanical Garden. Now question number 33. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? A. Govind Sagar Lake, Satluj, B. Kollaru Lake, Krishna, C. Ukai Reservoir, Tapti, D. Wular Lake, Jhelum. So try this question. So answer is B. Kollaru Lake is on Godavari River. Now question number 34. Which of the following is located in the Bastar Reserve? A. Indravati National Park, B. Rajaji, C. Dandeli, D. Bandhavgarh. So try this question. So answer is A. Indravati National Park. Now question number 35. Which of the following is flowing rivers of India has a rift valley due to down warping? A. Son, B. Damodar, C. Yamuna, D. Mahanadi. So try this question. So answer is B. Damodar. So question number 36. Which of the following country is not a member of ASEAN? A. Indonesia, B. Sri Lanka, C. Malaysia, D. Philippines. So try this question. So answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is not a member of ASEAN countries. Question number 37. The biggest island in Indian Ocean is A. Maldives, B. Madagascar, C. Lakshadweep, D. Sumatra. So try this question. So answer is B. Madagascar. Now question number 38. Dolphin Challenger Ridge is located in Atlantic Ocean, A. B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. So try this question. So answer is A. Atlantic Ocean. Now question number 39. In Southeast Asia, the only landlocked country is A. Cambodia, B. Vietnam, C. Thailand, D. Laos. So answer is D. Laos. Laos is the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. Now question number 14. The world famous Oolong tea is produced in A. Taiwan, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, D. Japan. Try this question. So answer is A. Taiwan. Now question number 41. Which of the following is not a type of shifting cultivation? A. Milpa, B. Jhuming, C. Chena, D. Fazenda. So try this question. So answer is D. Fazenda. Fazenda is not a type of shifting cultivation, and Milpa is in Malaysia, Jhuming is in Northeast India, and Chena is in Sri Lanka. Now question number 42. Intensive agriculture is associated with A. Dry farming, B. Subsistence farming, C. Multiple cropping, D. Food grain farming. So try this question. So answer is B. Subsistence farming. Question number 43. Volta Basin is located in A. Egypt, B. Ghana, C. Kenya, D. South Africa. So try this question. So answer is B. Ghana. Question number 44. Flanders region has been the traditional producer of A. Steel, B. Textile, C. Pharmaceutical, D. Electronics. So try this question. So answer is B. Textile. So question number 45. Who has been appointed as 48th Chief Justice of India? A. Justice N.V. Ramana, B. Justice R.F. Nariman, C. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, D. Justice A.M. Khanvikar. So try this question. Answer is A. Justice N.V. Ramana. Question number 46. What is India's rank in terms of world largest foreign exchange reserve country? A. 4th, B. 5th, C. 3rd, D. 6th. So try this question. So answer is A. 4th. India rank is 4th in world largest foreign exchange reserve country. Now question number 47. Who became the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for the Olympics? A. Bhavani Devi, B. Kavita Devi, C. Riya Bakshi, D. Anna Arora. So try this question. So answer is A. Bhavani Devi is the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for Olympic, and she belonged to Tamil Nadu state. Now question number 48. Which of the following state in India have two green energy efficient towns by 2023? A. Kerala, B. Bihar, C. Gujarat, D. Haryana. Try this question. This is very important question. So answer is B. Bihar. Question number 49. Who has been honored with 51st Dada Sai Phalke Award 2019? A. Rajnikant, B. Amir Khan, C. Amitabh Bachchan, D. Dharmendra. Try this question. So answer is A. Rajnikant. Question number 50. Which of the following state is going to set up India's biggest floating solar plant? A. Telangana, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. So try this question. Answer is A. Telangana. So this is all about Super 50 series part 3. Hope so you all attempting it in a good manner. So this is very important series for SCS exam. Attempt all question and check your preparation level. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.